Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate e-invoice online in Tally Prime. Now the first thing I want you to do, make sure you are on the go to section, and from here you'll be on the gateway of Tally. Choose create, and then you can choose your party's account name. So you have a list of ledger accounts. First you can just type it in. Let's say with G we'll do Ganesh G Industries. Okay, you just choose that one, and now that's the buyer. We're billing to them, and that's their mailing name as well. And now you can choose the place of supply. So right now it's set to Karnataka. You can decide to change it if you want. Just leave it as it is. And then you choose your ledger account. Okay, so you can do, let's say, sales non-GST or sales that is taxable. And once you select that, you enter the name of the item. Let's say you put in the number 3, you get 3mm steel sheet. You choose that. You can see we have 410 of them left in our system, and it automatically can put in the quantity. Let's say 25. It'll automatically pick out the rate as well, and to get the amount. And you can of course add the taxes, SGST, CGST as well once you're done with it. And then you can go choose to provide e-invoice details. So make sure this one is selected as yes. And then you can choose the bill to place. Let's do Bangalore, and ship to place also as Bangalore. And then this is the total amount with taxes, right? And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and proceed and generate the invoice. Okay, you can click here on yes, and then you'll get your invoice login as well. So this is your tax details and username and password, and then it will go ahead and complete the process. Once it is done, you are able to, as you can see, it has been generated successfully, and then you can easily go ahead and print it or preview this as you please. There you go. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.